Hello everyone. Welcome to the new video of Quest of Truth. Hope you are all in the best of spirits, health and disposition. Thank you so much for your warm and overwhelming responses for my last video. It has been so encouraging and I hope that you continue to support me in my humble attempt to make a difference. And for those who are new to my channel, I am Sumaya Al-Ansari, and in this series, I make videos on frequently asked questions by homeopathic aspirants. So please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get the recent updates. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into today's topic. Today we are going to talk about why does your homeopathic physician ask you so many questions? So to understand why does your homeopathic physician bombards you with so many questions, which might at times seem completely unrelated to the main complaint that you presented with, is because the physician is trying to hunt for what is to be cured in a disease. Now, this is the aspect that is covered under aphorism number 3 of the 6th edition of Organon of Medicine. Now, for those who do not know what is the Organon of Medicine, it is the book that contains all the protocols or steps or rules that a homeopathic physician is supposed to abide by for practicing homeopathy. In a way, to make the long story short, it is the Bible of homeopathy. As we have already covered in my previous video, how is homeopathy different from all other systems of medicine, we have covered how the concept of disease in homeopathy is far more inclusive than being just the material, physical body of a person. So please check out that video to understand it more better. The concept of what is to be cured in a disease covers two aspects under which a homeopathic physician might ask you simple questions pertaining to the illness. For example, your medicinal history, your past history, your family history, and if you're a female, you might be asked the menstrual history, your obstetric history, and things like that. Okay, so under which you might be asked whether you have been suffering from this kind of illness, what is the trigger, what do you think is the trigger, whether you have any chronic illness in your family, etc., from your maternal side, paternal side, and things like that. Now, homeopathy understands that each person is unique, each person is different, and each person perceives a particular circumstance differently. Let's take an example. There are two identical twins. They are born and brought up in the exact same setting by exactly same parents, and they belong to the same exact socio-cultural and economic background, and everything is similar, okay. Despite of so much similarity, when faced with a particular circumstance, both of them would react differently. Okay, so we must understand this. Despite of being so similar, every person is different and unique. Okay, so this concept of uniqueness is expressed as the concept of individualization in homeopathy. Heavy? Individualization. So based on this concept of individualization, your expression of health is unique. Your expression of disease is unique. So if your health is custom crafted, your disease is custom crafted, shouldn't your medicine should also be custom crafted, right? So that's what a homeopathic physician tries to do when he asks you so many questions. He's actually trying to estimate how unique are you and in what ways are you different, so that he or she can prescribe your medicines based on the law of similars. To understand what is the law of similars, please refer to my previous video, how is homeopathy different from all other system of medicine. And hope that answers your question. If you have any confusions, doubts, or disagreements for that matter, please let me know in the comment section down below. Any kind of healthy debate and feedbacks and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On a side note, if you think that I'm going to stick to homeopathy all throughout, then you have got me wrong. I want you to explore with me and unravel the mysteries of nature. and cherish the bouquet of all the beautiful, exciting, and interesting things that life has in store for us in my upcoming videos. So please stay tuned. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy,